Do you want to be the snot-nosed kid on Discord, or you just want to irritate your friends with a voice changer, a music player, a soundboard, and a text-to-speech client on no text-to-speech? Well, I'm going to show you something called Clownfish. Now, a lot of you have heard about it, but no one knows how to use it. But I do. Just kidding, this is my first time using it. All you need to do is go to the first link in the description, then click on the download 64-bit. Then once it downloads, all you need to do is click on the voice changer download file and click yes. Then click next when this thing pops up, then click next, and it'll do all that business. Click install. All you need to do is go to your start menu and click on Clownfish voice changer. Oh, that's a sneak peek of a new video.
Click on Clownfish voice changer and it will open up the voice changer, but
it's not. What's going on? Well, go to the bottom right and click on your system tray. Then you need to right click on the voice changer, and now you get to see what's going on. The main thing you want to do is click set voice changer, and it'll pop up with this. If you click clear effect, then you will be able to hear my normal and beautiful voice. Just kidding. But anyways, once you do that, you will be able to see this. I'm going to minimize my window. Now, just before I start off, I just want to say that the main thing we are looking at are a whole bunch of presets, and all they do is kind of change your voice a little bit. But the main thing you want to do as a user setting this up is making sure that if you go to your system tray and you right click on Clownfish, you see hear microphone. If you do not have that, then you won't be able to tell if a voice changer isn't working. For example, if I click on Alien, nothing happens because Alien doesn't work. But if I click on Atari, and the Atari thing kind of sounds like my microphone when the settings get changed randomly. Then you have clone. And it's weird. I don't know. You have
Mutation?
you have fast mutation, slow mutation.
Mill pitch. Oh, I sound. Oh, okay, yeah.
And then I can pretend I'm my own girlfriend, maybe.
Helium, baby.
You have a radio, and that sounds awful. This sounds like every Walmart kid's microphone. Then you have the robot, which I think is pretty fitting. And you have silence, which all of you really want right now. It was funny because I said a whole bunch of swear words. So you have the effect mixer here that you can open up and nothing happens. That's because you need to press the little drop arrow thing here, and then you can mix a whole bunch of different things. I'm not going to go through it because there's obviously a whole bunch of different combinations, mathematics, calculations. And for the next part, we have vocoder. Now, I had no idea what this did until I turned it on, and basically when you talk, it turns into a bell.
This is the church melody.
It is just random sounds coming out of my microphone, but it's just good to make people mad with. I don't know. Then next up we have... See, that one's really good because it just doesn't fucking work. So the sound effects here work really well with my particular setup, as you can tell. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I know, this one's probably broken, that's why. Anyways, the main thing is that some of these sound effects may not work. This application is very buggy, but we're just going to ignore it because it works pretty well for what it is. But this is where we get into a little bit of the fancy-dancy stuff. For the next functionality of Clownfish, I'm going to uncheck your microphone so I can actually talk normally. I'm going to select Music Player. Now, Music Player allows you to add songs, other stuff. You can add internet audio and video, but this didn't work for me because there's a plugin that you need. It doesn't even tell you which plugin to use. Just YouTube MP3, just basic stuff. Use your basic mathematical, computer magical, stuff like that. And you can enable audio sharing, so if you're watching a movie, and let's say you're not streaming it properly, or you just want it to be kind of like Clux's really awful microphone in my Discord server, where it'll just play everything coming through it, then click this button. It's that easy. Anyways, next up we have our third functionality, which is Sound Player. Now this one's great. All you need to do is click a sound that you want. So I have fanfare. I have a whole bunch of other ones. Now all these are fantastic and they are presets that they give you. So I have, maybe not that one, Ricochet. If I click play. Oh my gosh, I didn't hear it. You obviously heard it, but I didn't hear it, and that's because I need to go to the bottom right click on Clownfish, and click Hear Music/Sound. Now if I click play, whoa, I'm getting shot at my house, guys. This is insane. Anyways, I'm not a Fortnite YouTuber, but the whole point is that you can set different sounds or whatever. You can add a sound, delete a sound, but the main functionality of this is that you can actually select your hotkey If you click on a sound, then click Control F12 hotkey, it will set it to ricochet. So when you set it to your Control plus F12 hotkey, if you press right Control and F12, nothing happens, but if you press left Control and F12, whoa, someone got shot. Wow, that's scary. I can't wait until this messes up my whole entire audio system. Now, for our final functionality, which is an absolute disgrace in the eyes of my channel, is Voice Assistant. Yes, if you type in anything in here, it will play through your microphone. So I typed in a very basic prompt, and I can change the voice of it to whatever I want. Now, mind you, Canadian English female, oh, let's hear this.
Please subscribe to No Text to Speech.
But let's say that that voice didn't really fit what you wanted. Well, you can just change it to a different one. So I'm going to do Microsoft Zero Desktop English United States and click Read Text. And nothing happened. And that's because you need to actually click on it, click History, then click Read
Please
Text.
subscribe to No Text to Speech.
Now that sounds fantastic. No, I'm kidding, it sounds awful. But using this, you can mess around. So you have US English, History.
Please subscribe to No Text to Speech.
Oh, now that one is very sensual. And that wraps up the installation portion of the video. If it worked, like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel even further, just turn off your ad blocker when you watch my videos. And if for some odd reason it didn't work out for you, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section or join my Discord and put your issue in the help channel and I will help you out as soon as I can. Now let's get on to the uninstall portion of the video. Anyways, let's say that all these audio effects are a little too much for you. How do I uninstall it? Press the Windows key, type add or remove programs and press enter. It'll open up with this fancy dancy thing. You just need to type in Clownfish, then click on it, then click on install and click on install. It'll pop up with a window where you need to press a yes and just press yes and then press next and then click uninstall. And what it will do is it will uncheck the voice changer, change your microphone settings, and it should be back to normal. And if I click finish and I go to my taskbar, it's still there. No! Well, right click on it, click exit. Well, now I'm going to go outside like my mom wanted me to, and I'm going to stick my head into the sky and catch mouthfuls of rain sitting outside for as long as I humanly can until I just can't stand it anymore.